So after you restored your headlights lens, your headlights are still faint. What should I do? In this video I will show you a simple way that nobody has ever used before to restore a headlight reflector. There are many videos you can check out for how to remove the headlight lens to get to the reflector inside. They bake it in the kitchen oven at low temperature for like 15 minutes, then they remove the lens very easily. Anybody can do it. But in this video I am not going to discuss that. Do you see the coating on this light reflector? It's peeling? In this case, no matter what light bulbs you used, your headlights will always stay dimmed. Without a good reflector too will not get what you expect. First thing we need to do is to use a nail polish remover to clean the inside of the reflector and remove the existing coating. Then I'm going to use this high temperature foil tape. It's available at Home Depot or any HVAC or heating supplier. As you see in the picture, it says the 324A. If you are going to use any other brands, just make sure it's rated for heating or high temperature. Because headlight bulbs gets very hot, so we need a high temperature tape to use as a reflector. Now I'm going to cut few small pieces from this tape, about 4 inches long and ½ inch wide. Just make sure you don't cut them wide. We need to have a smoother edges inside. I like to start with a plus, but it doesn't matter. When you are all done, clean it with the nail polish remover again to clean it and give it the ultra shine. Now let's test it to see if it works or not. As you see, it's 100% restored and back to normal. Have fun, and see ya in the next video. If you like this video, and you like to see more videos like this, now is the time to press the like button, and subscribe to my channel. I will always have new ideas, don't miss it. Subscribe now.